Okay? Okay. No, don't panic, don't panic. Don't panic, you have a life jacket. Don't panic, I will rescue you, bro.
I go this way. I put more water in it, bro.
No, you have to cut that one.
Yeah, I know. I'm at a wrong position with this thing.
You use your paddle and make it like me, like facing that one there. Yes. Yes, like that. Uh-oh. You want me to let you go so you can...
No, you're fine, bro.
Okay, that's enough.
Backing up.
No, you have to face over there, bro, because the water is coming into your from your back, from behind. I think you're too heavy on that boat. You have to face you have to face yeah, let me see. Okay, that's okay now. You're not, yeah, that's okay.
Ow.
What happened?
Oh, cramp.
Put your feet all the way. You okay? Okay. No, don't panic, don't panic. Don't panic, you have a life jacket. Don't panic, I will rescue you, bro. Don't panic, don't panic. Don't panic. Relax, relax. Relax. Okay. Relax, relax, relax. It's okay. Relax, relax. Relax. You good? Okay, give me the boat, give me the boat. Give me the boat. Okay. Okay. Up. Don't pull my boat, because if I get flipped, we will all flip. Okay, you swim with your paddle. Give me the GoPro. Okay, watch out, watch out. Okay. You're okay, you have your, give me the paddle. Yeah, give me the paddle. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. Hold on. Give me the paddle, yeah. Give me the paddle.
Look for the drone.
Yeah. I got your drone, I got your drone, I got your GoPro. Okay, so you get, just swim, bro, that's okay. I will, okay, give me, watch out for the hook. Watch out for the hook. Okay. Okay, get the gloves. Get the gloves. Okay, so you need, okay, hold on.
Oh, that's your rod, bro.
We need, that's okay. We need, what we need?
A bucket.
A bucket? Okay. Okay, so since we don't have a bucket, bro, okay, hold on.
Bro, let's go to the shore.
Huh? Yeah, we're going back to the shore. It's okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, alright. Just hold it. Just hold there, okay? Okay, just hold.
I'm fine, bro. Let's go.
Are you good? Okay. Hold on.
Hold on, bro.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm gonna get my glove here.
Okay. Alright, you good?
I'm good.
Alright, you have a good swimming there, okay? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to take your video?
I don't care.
Okay.
Say this welder too much?
What is this? Am I moving back?
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I was trying to scrape my leg and the cramp just bugged me, bro.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
You said you got my drone, right, bro?
Yeah, I got your drone. I got your GoPro.
Hold on.
Okay. Just give me that one. Okay.
If
Just
you
ride
go
it.
faster, go ahead, bro.
Huh?
Go faster.
Yeah, that's full already.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to get it above water.
Yeah. But that's. You want me to let go the boat?
No, just keep going.
Yeah, this is the fastest now. Okay. Hold on. Just let go that one, bro.
No, I'm gonna keep my gloves in one glove.
That's okay. The gloves is okay. You see, the motor cannot pull it. We will just let go the kayak, bro. Because
All right, till I get closer to the shore.
huh?
Oh,
Come
wait.
here. You come here. You come here and hold my boat.
All right.
Come, swim here and hold my boat so it will be easier. That one is dragging, so that's heavy. That's so heavy. The boat is dragging us. So I will just let that go, okay? Let go the kayak. Because we cannot.
Here, I'll flip it upside down, bro.
Yeah, flip it upside down.
Here, hold on.
Okay, I will pull you.
Let me get the rest of the stuff out of here.
Yeah, I will pull you. Give me that stuff. Okay. Are you swelling now? Okay. We have to.
I got a different shirt in the car.
Yeah. But I mean, are you still able to stay on the water?
I'm okay.
Okay. Come on. No, flip over like that. Okay.
Hold on, bro. Let me take the plug out.
Yeah, take the plug out and I will carry the boat like this.
No.
No.
Fire it up and drain out.
Yeah. Okay, drain it out. Is there a plug there?
Yeah, you gotta go.
Okay, up. Okay. Okay. Did you get the plug?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
It's going on. I can feel it.
Okay, now it's okay to put back. Oh. Okay, now it's okay to put back. Okay, now you hang it there, okay? Now this one is lighter now. The boat is lighter.
Let me put the plug back in.
Okay, put the
I'm
plug
gonna
back
try to
in.
get back in, bro.
Huh?
I try to get back in.
You wanna try to get back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a second here.
Okay, where's the water the bottle that you have? Okay.
It's gone.
Okay, hold on. I have a knife here. Okay, wait. Do not go back yet. Let's remove more water. Okay, give me the boat. Okay. That's okay. My worries is if you can still
I can
hold
float.
on there.
I can okay. I'm just worried about what's in here.
No, because the water is cold.
No, I'm fine. Not that bad.
Okay.
Thank God for light jackets.
Yeah, that's why you have life jacket. Okay, hold on, not yet, bro. Okay, just put the water.
Take my glasses.
Okay,
I don't want to lose them.
okay,
I'm not
okay. You go on the other side, not here. Okay, go on the other
Let
side.
go, girl.
Huh?
Let go.
Okay. Okay, go on the other side. Okay. I will hold here. Hold on. Not yet. Okay. There you go.
I gotta get a grip.
Yeah, okay, grip. Okay. Okay, you're good.
I'm glad I put my phone in my case.
Yeah, you're good. There you go. Woohoo! Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Okay, you're good. Okay, you're okay now?
I'm okay. Just let me get in first.
Okay. Okay, sit down now. Sit down.
Give me a second,
properly.
okay? Let me get my foot.
Alright, yeah. I will hold it. There you go. Good job. Okay. Dan Busher on the water, guys.
That's a new adventure.
Oh, it's a new adventure. OMG. Kayak gone wrong. Oh my goodness.
Thank God for a life jacket, people.
Yeah, so that's the most important thing, you know. Do you know how to swim?
Yeah, no swim.
That's good, but you have your life jacket, so he got the cramps. Actually, he got the cramps, and he straightened his feet, his legs, and then boom, he capsized. So yeah, we did a pretty good job, guys.
Lost one rod.
This is really good adventure. So we lost one rod, okay, and that's for the bait rod, right?
Yep.
I have my jigging rod. Okay, that's okay. At least we just lost one rod. It's not our
glove.
It's not our life.
I lost my fishing glove.
Oh my goodness. And Danny is thinking all the way about his drone, about his GoPro, about his gloves. Yes, I secured the GoPro right away.
And my
I got
cell phone.
Where's your cell phone?
In my drone.
in the drone box? Okay. So the good thing, guys, the drone box is right here. It's waterproof. It's waterproof, okay? And the GoPro, I don't bother. The GoPro is waterproof too. So we just have to wash it when we get home. So my phone is wet, but this is iPhone. This can submerge, I believe 33 feet.
And I got an
I'm not sure.
Bro,
Huh?
I have an iWatch too.
He got his watch. iWatch that is waterproof.
It is.
Or as you can see the difference now, guys. Look at that, Danny Busher. He's now back on the boat, on the kayak, in his kayak right now, and I can easily pull it with my 55-pound thrust motor.
Let's water in it yet.
We're going back as fast as we can because Danny is wet. I don't want him to get cold and sick. So, and anyway, the sun is setting, almost setting right now, so we have to go back and go out from the park. All right, guys, so that's the adventure, Danny Busher adventure and Bone Court here on the kayak. We didn't get any fish. We got capsized, so this is another fun, guys, for us. Thanks for watching, guys. Next time we will go back and we hope that we can catch more fish. And please follow us on Facebook, subscribe our YouTube channel. We appreciate your support. Thank you, guys. As always, thank you and God bless you all. God bless us all. Thank you. As long as we don't lose it.
I wasn't even thinking about that, bro.
Yeah. Where's the beach now? You still remember?
Right there, bro.
Huh?
Right there.
Right there? Okay. cold? You good? Where is it? Over there?
Yep, right there. Where the pills are, bro?
Huh? Which one?
Where the rock is.
Where the rock is? This one?
Yep.
Okay. Next year I'm gonna get this with motor, bro. With a gas motor. And this one I will just put them as a backup. I will I think I will just put that or put it on the side. I will put it on the side. Alright guys, so we are close at the beach right now. So, oh my goodness, that makes me a little nervous, guys. Little nervous, because that one, even we are just close to the beach, but the current is too strong. You know, the current is dragging the boat, and even my kayak with the motor, I cannot pull him because there's pressure in his kayak filled with water. So, all right, so we are close to the beach right now. Alright guys, so we are approaching the beach. Okay. So, alright, so our car is right there. OMG. Alright guys, Mayo Beach. This is a good place guys to kayak right here. And Danny, you are so big for that kayak.
But I'm so fine.
Yeah. He's still having fun. All right. And I think this is the what do you call this? The Ranger right now. Okay. Alright, thank you Lord. Alright guys, so we're here. Alright, we're back. Okay, that was a good story to tell. That was a good story to tell our wives today. And then our wives will get nervous and they will not allow us to go. Alright, so all the things stop right there, bro. Gone. What are those? What are there? All the lines, right?
My anchor.
Oh man, your anchor.
Yeah.
And the lines, pliers. That's okay. Everything will be replaceable. Okay guys, so we will pack up and
They went down to the bottom. Oh, I know how how to fix it.
Huh?
Back here, a scuba gear.
All right, so what can you say about your experience today?
Don't have cramps.
All right, let's go our final closing video and let's tell the guys what happened to us. All right guys, so today that was our experience guys. Our fishing kayak, kayak fishing gone wrong, and Dan Busher Adventures kayak capsized, filled up with water because he got cramps, and he cannot hold, he cannot handle the cramps if he cannot stretch his legs. So he tried to stretch his legs, but you know, he capsized. So that, anyway guys, that's a good lesson for us. Just don't panic. You're on the water, you're floating with life jacket, nothing to panic. That's okay. All right, so tell them.
Like he said, don't panic.
Yeah, that's adventure, right?
It's adventure.
All right, thank you guys for watching,
And
and
don't forget
see ya. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, subscribe so that you can
see more.
see more videos from us. Thank you and have a nice day.